Hey everyone, today's probably one of the last nice days of the year here where I live anyway. It's probably going to get pretty cold in the next week or so, so I'm going to remove the Bestop Soft Top and put on the factory hardtop again on the Bronco. There's not really anything online with detailed instructions, not video form anyway, nothing I could find. So I'm going to be pretty specific on how I'm taking it off, covering all the steps. So follow along and let's get started. Before you do anything, what I would do is wash your windows so the dirt doesn't mar up your plastic. My windows look kind of clean, but man, it's pretty filthy. Step 1, remove the back and side windows. Step 2, undo all the Velcro holding the crossbars. Step 3, open the top. Step 4, remove the rearmost top brackets. The only piece of hardware I needed from the toolkit was a Torx 50. I didn't have one in my socket set, so that came in handy. Step 5, remove the lower side rails. I usually tape all the bolts and fasteners together, mainly because of my bad memory, but it's a good habit to have. Step 6, remove the upper top rails. Don't forget to store the plastic spacers, and you'll be reusing that metal plate. Step 7, remove the upper front corner bracket. Keep a hold of that bolt because you'll be reusing it again. Step 8, lift off the upper front rail. It may feel like it's stuck, but just yank it a bit and it'll come loose. Step 9, remove the upper side brackets. Step 10, lift off the entire rear portion of the soft top. It'll all come off in one piece. Step 11, reattach that plate from before. The markings on the plate will show you which way to orientate it. Reuse that same front corner bolt that you took off earlier. Step 12, remove the rear corner bracket. Pry open the plastic molding to expose the screw. That entire rear corner bracket should all come off in one piece. Remember to reinsert that small plastic piece behind the C-pillar and make sure you don't pinch the rear wiper cables. Step 13, remove side window brackets. Hopefully you put those factory screws somewhere in a safe place so you can find them again. Step 14, reinstall the factory screws. All in all, a lot easier to take off the soft top than it was to install it. So those are all the pieces that came off the car. I'm probably going to tape the bolts that are for each piece with the piece, because if I've learned anything, it's to be overly careful on how you note things so that you'll remember them later, because it may seem obvious now, but 4 months later, you won't know what's what. One thing to know when you're bolting down your hardtop, you're going to notice a little bit of a space and it seems like it's not fitting perfectly. Just as a reminder, you added this rubber gasket when you installed the soft top. You can leave that on there and just tighten her down. I have to admit, I like the way the hardtop looks. Soft top looks good too, but the hardtop looks really solid and tough. I'm definitely not going to miss all that rattling and slapping of the soft top on the highway. That's for sure. No, well, that went pretty good. All there is left to do is put in the original 4 bolts on each side to secure the hardtop down. Put the sunroof panel back on, and then figure out a place to put the soft top to store. That's it. Hope that helps. Have a great weekend, everyone.